In today's video, let's learn the TikTok wrap hack, which is a life-changing trend that definitely has to be tried at home. So let's learn 2 ways of making viral pizza wrap with tortilla, very delicious and quickest pizza that you would ever make. Hello and welcome to MANOCOOKS, and let's get started. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, please leave a thumbs up and also click and watch the video on the screen right now to watch my first TikTok trending aloo tikki wrap recipe with roti, which is loved by all. Also, please do subscribe to MANOCOOKS and click on the bell notification to watch my videos as soon as I post them. Try this folded tortilla pizza wrap at home and enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching.